Welcome back to how to make a mold. This is part 4. In this video I'll be applying more of this product here. It's actually a top coat, they call it. It's used for swimming pools and things like that. But it's already had one coat on, that's what the white is. This will give me a nice hard surface which I can rub down and get prepped nice and smooth, ready to wax, release agent, and then take my mold off this plug. So I sanded this down yesterday. This is the result. This area here I didn't do because I ran out of mix, so I just left it, mainly to show you on this video too. But this has already been sanded once with 80 grit paper. So we will now be doing that. You can see it says here, pool coat, top coat, white. So that's what I'll be using for this. Okay, here is my little kitchen scale. The catalyst is already in there, it's 2%. My brush, I've got some acetone. I've already decanted and weighed out 100 grams of resin into there. So I'll add the catalyst. And then we can start applying the stuff and see if I can do this whole shape with that 100 grams of resin. Okay, here's the catalyst, 2%. Squirt it into the tin. And basically now, just a lot of mixing. So it's going to take a bit of time to mix this up properly so I don't get any wet spots. Okay, I'm just going to mix it. Mix it some more, mix it some more, and mix it some more, because I cannot mess this up at this point in time. I've done so much work to get to this point. So I just hope it's not going to turn you away from this video, but the next part of it will be applying this onto that plug there, which I've painstakingly made to get to this point. Okay, I think that should be enough there. Okay, so that's mixed. Next thing I'll do is I'll take the camera to the product and we'll apply this stuff. Okay, let's apply this on here. See how far this mix will go. I'll probably have to do this a second coat because this part I hadn't done previously. I'd actually run out. I wasn't going to remix, so I'm not going to worry too much how I apply it for the moment, because I'm going to have to sand this and put more on here later on. So it's just to cover it before the stuff hardens. This is a gel coat, but it goes hard. It's not like a normal gel coat that will stay tacky, so you can apply the cloth. The stuff goes rock hard. It's actually very good. I don't know what you call it in the rest of the world. Some people call it a tooling gel coat. I don't know, but the guys here call this a top coat, so I'll stick with that. So I'm going to get it covered for the moment. The brush is leaving hairs all over the place. What I find too, this actually fills very well. If you've got any area that you haven't done properly, it actually fills extremely well. Just move the camera around. Just move the camera around here so you can see. And I use these tins because I can throw them away. I don't have to sit and waste acetone to clean them. These are just tins that you can buy, tin fruiting or whatever. But they're just a cheap option. You know, things in South Africa are expensive, so you do find some other way of doing it. It's cheap. That's what I've done. This top coat is about 200 Rand in our money, so I don't know what that cost. You just do the exchange rate. I don't know what the current exchange rate is. Yeah, this will harden nicely. I won't sand it tomorrow. I'll basically apply another coat. Okay, sorry guys, we are moving around. Okay, let's go up shape here. Back at the back here, I'm just going to move this back. I actually am going to make a bit of a wing off this shape to come up like that. With a bit of a gurney on the top here. I don't know how, we'll work it out later, but it's going to come off here, up like that. My formula is going to have some downforce. What my stronger engine hopefully for next year and downforce, hey, I'm going to fly, man. Okay, applying it. Run out just now, have to make some more. This is where it gets a bit boring if you go to another video. But please also check my other videos out, because the other videos have basically led me to this point where I am now. So check those out first before you look at this video, because it'll give you an idea of what I've done to get through to this point. So I'm going to just lift this up and bring it around. So nice, it gives a nice thick coat. It's actually very easy to sand this too. It's incredible stuff. If I knew about it before, I would have done all my other molds with this. See, I've got a bit of indentation there. I'm just going to fill it in. I'll just leave it like that. Look at that. Fill it in. If you use spot putty or body filler, I just use the resin. Now I'm going to start working because the stuff's starting to become a bit jelly-like. That's what happened the last time. It's a bit jelly because it's quite humid outside again. We're aiming here. So I've got to just pull finger and work. I see I'm getting a few viewers from the UK now, so welcome to this channel. Good to have you people around the world watching this. I don't know what sort of business you guys are in, if you're into motorsport or just into wanting to do fiberglass work, but this is the way I have done it and this is the way I'm doing it. Whether it's right or wrong, I don't know, but you know, in life you find things that work for you, so you stick with it. And I find this has worked for me. Look at that, man. Okay, I'm going to do the bottom here because I'm going to run out just now. Make some more. Fill some more holes there. edges here while I've got this thicker stuff, just filling these imperfections here. I'm going to make it to the end with this stuff, that's for sure. You can see it's already not brushing on properly, so it's actually getting hard. Okay, I'll put the camera off, I'll go mix some more and I'll come back. Okay, I've mixed up about another 50, so just carry on. It's extremely humid and the stuff is to dry so quickly. My brush is now getting hard. If I was doing resin in the summer. Brush now. That's very good. This is now just becoming one big mess. Okay, it wasn't very successful, was it? Don't worry about that. Get the edges covered too. Okay, the second coat wasn't very successful, but got to be sanded and another coat applied, so we'll carry on. Okay, thanks for watching. The next video I'll be sanding this down and apply some more of this top coat.